Okay, so I want to create Gantt chart, and I noticed a lot of students actually make the select the column and then place color on it, okay, and then create another set and so forth. But this is not a good way to create Gantt chart inside uh, Excel spreadsheet. There's actually a better way. Right. So we'll start with this data over here. Right. Task, what I want to do, the start date, and the duration. Right. In a table like this. Once that is done, I want to utilize a chart. All right, a chart. But I use the stack bar. All right. So I use a stack bar. It looks like that. Okay. So it's it looks like that. But there's a few more things I need to do. Okay. One of it, of course, is the task. If you realize, the task A is actually at the bottom, but my task A is on the top. My task H is at the bottom. The task H is at the top. All right. So basically, I need to change this, reverse the order. So now my task A is actually on top. Right? So ABC all the way to H, ABC all the way to H. Do I actually need the legend? Uh, Actually, not required. So I can take the one out. Right. Title, I leave it to you. Okay, you can call it anything you want. So let's say an chart for something. I don't know what something actually is. Okay. And now is this part, this blue color thing. All right, this blue color thing, which is the start date. All right, I need to do something uh, about that. Firstly, I'm not going to have it fill, so it will look empty. But I also do not want any borderline. And once you're done with that, you can already start to see the chart appearing. Okay, you can already see something that looks like a gun chart like this, and it has nice dates on top. Of course, you can adjust them if you don't want it to start from February, right? 23rd. Okay, then of course you can adjust this using the axis. What can change the value itself? What can change the value itself? And the interesting thing is now you can actually change this, right? If you really want to add it, cause the size, right, to change. See, you will cause. So if let's say I change this to become uh 25, look, to be 25, it's gonna become 25 from this start date. Okay, so it's a very convenient way.